Hello guys, and welcome to this new video. Today I'm gonna be showing you how you can download TikTok videos without watermark. So let's go. As you can see here guys, this is the homepage of TikTok, I mean the website. Let's try to download a video. Okay, let's choose this one. As you can see, this is the watermark. We remove it from the video. Now what we will do, we'll copy the link of this video, and then we will go to this website. We will find the link in the description. Now paste it here. As you can see, then download it. Now let's open it. As you can see guys, there is no watermark in the video. And that's it. I really hope that you liked this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos, and see you in next one. Have a good day.